Yeah, man. Yo, share the life, people. Share the life. You don't know. Share the life. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bless up. Yo, share the life again, people. Share the life again. You don't know. Foundation sound. Jimmy in the building. You know me, I say. Hey, Jimmy, a long time. Hold the microphone, man. Make the people them know how long you in the music thing. How long foundation sound in the business?
87.
Since 87.
Yeah, but me have a
forward in the picture, many people them can
all right,
see.
listen. Foundation from 87, but me have a sound from 81.
From 81.
Yeah, from the Jamaica.
What was the name of that sound?
Kentuan. Father have a sound from the 60s.
Wow.
And then we start roll it out, and then when we come and foreign now, we start argue, because when Red Fox and Shaggy them come and start cuss bad with him, say, none of that thing. So we just park it up and say, you know what? Let me tell you.
Sometimes they use the exercise with the live DJ. Them
yeah, man. Everybody
okay.
them pack up in my house. Every DJ come and foreign.
Yeah, man.
In my house.
In the yard.
Yeah, man. So we just have to do that, and the bad word thing my father can't take.
Can't take the bad word thing.
I'm saying him deal with the John Walt and Halt and them all time.
The man is a rock steady man.
Right.
You know what I say?
So you can't take the bad word
thing.
In
them cussing thing and them thing.
No, so I say, you know what? Park your sound. And then me and Tolo's foundation.
Yeah, man. Tolo, you don't know R.I.P. to Tolo. You know what I say?
Yeah,
bless
man.
Up, Tolo.
Bless up. Yeah,
you
man.
know what I say? Long time. So, Jimmy, I'll play one more tune. And you don't know, we're going to introduce the next guest them. People, you don't know foundation sound.
Listen, no, I'll play two more because Zebulon say I want to play Demus theme.
Of course.
So I'll play two more tunes.
Yes, that's the far right.
So people, two more tunes and you don't know, we introduce a guest. You know what I say?
You see that rhythm, man?
Yeah.
I have 23 songs on the rhythm, man. Never release it.
Never release it.
Never release it. And then Lucian, everybody take the rhythm and go to Jamaica, go vice on it. But my rhythm, me and Purdue.
Purdue, best of yourself. You don't know man. Purdue from one of that one.
Yeah, tune them on the rhythm.
Easy management, Tolo, Bloodstain.
How are you?
Jimmy, that's the far right, lives in rules and reigns for all living things. That sound play this sound. Just like this one here, foundation alone, you know?
People!
Oh well now, yeah. Oh well now. Winning without fighting is best. Sounds that love war will play.
Share the life, people, share the life. I'm gonna play one more.
Listen, leadership don't mean domination. Love don't mean retaliate.
Now we done, bless up yourself.
If the sound boys don't stop these wars,
Skillarchi.
who's gonna be at fault? Hip hip hooray, no sound celebrate. It can be your dream.
Rashailo man, New York artist.
Hip hip hooray, no sound celebrate. Foundation destroy your sound too.
Share the life, people, share the life.
Your sound today, murder them today. Oh Lord, listen.
Shiloh.
Remember our forefathers team.
All right. You play the final tune. Yeah, man.
See that singer Rashailo?
Many people them know, yeah.
Enough man know Rashailo.
Yeah.
And me boss him, you know.
Yeah.
Remember me teach him to sing like Ghana Silk.
Wow.
Me teach him to sing like Ghana Silk.
Enough people that think they're king of these.
No man, in name Big Belly, he's a player with Kid Angles.
Uh-huh.
Then I start say, listen man, stop singing like Sanchez. And then we have a club, and then we have a club up there, and so come in every 2 weeks. Every Ghana Silk record I put him on. Until him go to Jamaica and sing. Yeah man, the first two I do with him, man. I two you give me like an artist there, and that's why I not make it hear.
Yeah.
Your Big Belly.
Yeah.
So we know him as.
Wow.
Yeah, Big Belly, that's what he was.
Yo, Big Belly, you don't know, Rashailo.
Yeah man, me boss him, but you not giving no props with it.
Yeah.
Trust me.
All right, you don't know. Play the final tune, Jimmy. You know me, I say, because you don't know time ago in your heart. You know? Yeah.
This up Zebulon.
I had a better put close to fall up, man, and two
Yeah, man.
Foundation pan and place, man. Well, easy and massive, man.
Yeah, I'm a Belgian Zebulon from out of Netherlands there.
You know, we're not playing no tune.
Escadé and the whole crew. Amsterdam, the whole place. Zip on the hand up on the foundation sound. Have a man they pull up them tune now. You can't tap them tune one time. Yo. Killer do you want cut, but me I hold him like a bit about 5 more minutes, you know. Hold on the killer.
Play by number one champion sound the world, sound carry the most nice and beautiful girl.
Again.
Say from the hand upon the rose it come foundation.
Step on the hand upon the Say on the and up on the. And me say. Up on the. Again.
For the Demus, I know you're not a toy. And anytime we say you say we have to enjoy from the end upon the rosy foundation. Sit on the end upon the rosy foundation. Say to the Demus are the son, but me are the father. Him are the chicken, but me are the rooster. You know like foundation, go suck your mother. You're the
Demus.
Eat your girl and drink the water. And you put on little more, say man feel later. Cause you know say foundation come to run America. From the end upon the rosy came bonanza. Sit on the end upon the rosy came bonanza.
Avande, ande, ande. Avande.
Never have no data and to offend some gold, but to Adam never know. And big fat ass in my born like in my boss. If the test foundation, you have a run lost, girl. Kiss me ass and you lick it across. You take it to your poopa, woman riding on.
Avande.
Foundation, a bigger boss. Is this son boy, say, man, you have a mass. Stand the end upon the rosy foundation.
Avande, ande, avande. Yo, people, play. Let me open here. Let me light up my computer. Let me light up my computer.
Yo, me I play one LP singer. LP, yeah, you singer.
Share the light, people.
Foundation. Yes, foundation alone.
Father Demon.
Yeah. Look. Now the music is pumping while the messages keep on moving. And lovely girls are doing the latest dance. See mommy and her daddy just a rock it over there. Everyone is doing the thing, yeah.
Alright.
Keep it up now and let the foundation rock your soul.
Say give it up
now. Let the foundation keep you grooving.
Say give it up. Alright, Killer D, say something to the people because you don't know, you come like you want to run out of here, you know what? You're tired to the boy, I mean, I can't understand. I can understand, son. Son.
Yesterday was a long day.
Yeah.
So you don't know the thing gone. Plus, we have the 9 to 5 early in the morning, and you know when a joke when they come to the people and check.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because have a cut and they can't cut lean.
But people, you don't know. Jimmy just warm up the land for the people, you know what I say?
Of course.
You know what I say? Foundation sound from long time, from Flatbush days.
Facts.
You know what I say? The whole 50s, the whole 90s, the whole Brooklyn.
Of course.
The whole, you know what I say?
Yeah,
I'm just at my Belgian foundation, so can they continue the legacy too.
Yeah.
Over Netherlands.
Netherlands, you don't know the
Amsterdam,
thing.
you know what I say?
The whole Amsterdam family,
Yeah,
the whole
man.
Enschede family, you don't know the thing.
And Enschede,
Holland.
yeah.
Enschede.
Enschede as well, tell man.
I know, but
Yeah.
I see a place over that side, you know what I mean? You see it, so...
Conan, man. Conan.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you know what I say? Zebeland, you know?
Yo, listen, man.
Yeah.
Anytime I hear foundation, we come
Yeah.
with artists. Enter you want me again, I bring more artists. You know who's supposed to come with? You, Badu. There's too much people.
You can't tell the people that you come with. Yo, Lord God, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Okay. Sorry,
So,
man.
ladies and gentlemen,
Sorry.
you don't know, we have 3 artists in the building, you know me I deal with.
For sure.
And it's a pleasure for me to have them in the building. And you don't know, a long time them in the place, I do them thing. Long time them I do them thing. And them I carry on them legacy. And them have some new material. So I want to eye them, check out them new material too. Nobody go on like some back in ideas thing from long time. That's all them have. Them are DJ same way. I put out music same way. So people, you don't know, my first artist me I bring out. See? First artist me I bring out, you don't know. From long time, from down in the 90s there, you don't know, Power Store. And he's a producer too, you know, because him always a producer too. Get him look how rhythm and all them thing there. So ladies and gentlemen.
Turn up this.
Turn up, yo, the first artist I have to bring down today, yo, yeah. Give me one. First artist me I bring down today, you don't know, is from outer Kingston, Jamaica. Bang! You don't know, we have the Power Stone, Power Man, in the building, you don't know. One of the artists them so far.
Demus.
You know what I say?
So what am I say? Keep them talking now.
Yeah, let them see you.
LP!
International.
Them hear the voice, them know over there, man.
Yeah, man, them turn up little voice.
So we are with
Yeah.
there, man.
Bang! Bang! And ladies and gentlemen, you don't know, from long time, I better you long time in the thing. Long time. He might chat the road from, I don't even know which year him start. But that brother a long time
man,
in
we
there.
there from
And it's
long
a
time,
family
man.
thing. You know what I say?
Then no, sir.
It's a family thing. So ladies and gentlemen, no other than
Ladies and plenty, man.
ladies and plenty, man. In the phone, man. In the phone. In the phone. So you don't know. Yeah, man. Ladies and gentlemen. We want to really make him start it and then the next one, the running killer. Yeah, man. Run the rhythm, make power. Yeah.
Ding 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 ding.
Share the life, people. Share it.
Ding 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 ding. Yo. Me no see nobody in the world where me fear. Me no see no foreign where me gun can't tear. Me no see the punk where he make we scare. Professor and the professor and we've been there. And still no see nobody in the world where me fear. Me no see no foreign where me gun can't tear. Me no see the punk where he make we scare. Professor and the professor. LP, watch the mix. Bad man a dopey that. Must come and them a go feed that. Can't this man with jump fence and take the goalie back. Head bust like coconut. Loose like say a poker that. Run him down a wet, he make him dance like a soaker that. Friend them say a joker that. Big damn stroker that. Ready for war, go and go telling him from a motor that. Must come me born. Try take note of that. Me tell all both of that. I'm poor in the Soviet. Say me no see nobody in the world where me fear. Me no see no foreign where iron can't hear. Me no see the punk where he make we scare. Professor and it LP. Boy, you say them a rapper that palm, but them a eyeball a matter. Gunshot take boy, make them turn teeth and a flatter, yo. Jimmy a water that no ma run for go for. You this bad man, the wrong word them go. Well, boy, you fly down in my face like penfold fly off a roost. I will. That boy, you must fight among those. Boy, you tell them, kid away. The bongo jungle, man. Hey, will out. Bang, bang, bang. Eh? You see the next artist? You don't know, you see that next artist, yeah? The next artist, Puma, drop rhythm, yeah, man. Look at Demus, run out from them.
Man, yeah, they a jam, dumb, don't know Jamaica like Hyman, Manly Boulevard, right turn, say Hyman, Cling Avenue, sound string up by Simon, Red Hills Road, Missy Man, Ed Flyman, yeah, they a jam, one, don't know Jamaica like Hyman, Flanker, Firehouse, Duct Tape and Tyman, Matches Lane Man, had the most at a Slyman, and no lie, man. No lie, man, yeah, they are New York, no broken like Hyman. Flatbush to have the right turn for Hyman. Church Avenue, go to 2 from Simon. Rutland Road, Missy Man, Head Flyman. Yeah, they are jam one, no ease up. Let me tell you now. All right. Coming to the next artist.
Well, on people, I'm going to let in the next artist now. I'm going to let in the next one now.
Yo, never war, hold the gun, but down the gloves up on the general land. Them said them fine, fingerprint up on the murder weapon. We don't give a damn, we drop them in front of stage. And so never you this stage, and the down them at the violin, the yana. Anytime that one you bang the ball, of them are dead, man. Give me way me drop me bomb, me like me not the one Saddam. Come on, listen, Jonah Cat up on the reggae version. Alongside I caliber, the one power man. The one that we your friend, cause we are yard.
Tell them, prison never make fi dog. Prison now we friend them yard. So we no afraid of no big ugly black boy. We have a one ring record. Brooklyn, prison never make fi dog. Well, same time, prison now we friend them yard. Oh, if you afraid of no big ugly black boy, we have a one ring record. Well, Junior Cat, pass me the one I card. Now run from the boy when you rape and rob. Say them a bad man when I chain them grab. Well, from boy this me must come and get job. Come boy we love puff up them face like frog. You find them a Brooklyn shut up and tag. Boy you go on like him related to hog. And me a take it easy and I serve me God. But them a try draw we out. You see them a try to draw we out. Come in.
Salt and pepper, love off me style, but she was a home wrecker. I spoke me wife and I said she do it better. Fingernail pass me here and don't me sweater. Bang, 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 bang. Yes.
Jonah, that sound like you.
Fancy play Baba King, the love is all I bring. So you keep on bubbling and sing until the morning. Oh, Jah, let me tell you. Oh, Jah, help we tonight. We've been suffering in thy sight. Well, if I aid and I give when you fight, I'll walk with love, sweet love. I'll talk with love, sweet love. When you have the love in my heart, you pack up and it a store. So tell the ghetto youth them not broke out like no sore. You know hear about the massacre over Portmore. Policeman kill 6 and then soldier kill 4. We don't want to see no more innocent on the floor. So tell me some other close down the gun store. But all them just doing killing off the poor. But every day another youth man blood a pour. Come little Jonah Cat and Power Man. When them a chat you coulda yap until you drop me straight to God. Me not in a data. No coke, no give me no crack, no give the youth no gun for locker. Policeman fire shot and then them close down back the block. Can't get no rice, can't get no chicken. Not even chicken backer. We can't get nothing for buy brown at the corner shopper. We get to get dark and the place it get blacker. But tell you this a youth if I win in a data. I wrote on reality culture we chat. Come in Power Man, come talk a road.
So you make us run the system in Jamaica. The farmers them can't plant a acre. We can't even buy bread from the baker. Stop burn the trees them from the creator. Me burn a dirty society. Them give the youth them gunshot for charity. In our country where the rich are the majority. To kill the poor them full of anxiety. Jamaica happy miss a chin and miss a wang. Asana isang miss a liya matalan. Them fight Rasta man and fight ganja man and make fatty man a walk round like them a done Babylon. When you win, poor people lose. Them treat the ghetto youth them like dog and mongoose. I treat my sister them like Lassie and Zeus. Ghetto youth can't even buy back juice. Me want chat to government, put this on the news. Stop burn down ganja cause the country a lose. Stop black half dance, suffer a lose. Poor people can't buy blinking food so we. But yo, drop it back again. Yeah, more one piece that already my first start. You change it. Attack it up.
Answer baby, I'm a champion, king, of all I bring.
LP says slow down.
Play the bounce sound, so you got to keep on get around.
The next stop is Flatbush Avenue.
Rough and tough and it getting rougher. Rough and tough and the youth them a suffer. Rough and tough and it getting rougher. Rough and tough, get the youth them a suffer. Have you ever hear a poor man talk about white ball? Hungry you lick up and him try them a ball. Worm them in your belly button till a crawl. Looks by your mouth like over white mall. Make me wait merman that you never catch me a ball. This is what we wanna speak about most of all. They had to pass the prisoner, yeah they youth them a ball. Babylon a beat them with banner behind wall. Jamaican government's a literate and some all. Not the English in the market I run with them stall. Big up Frankie Paul and big up Sean Paul. High caliber control the dance hall.
While lifting in a barrel and I pull like grab me plan in the rain, I'm seeing a jack. Not in the back when I come out fat. Meet in a yap, why them mad? You watch me take note with a bad. Like tempest way in a re-up. See when me have you with a ad. Singling me rain and play real bad. Firm out to me head so off the lab. Room into the black. Face out down. Move to the back, get up. You all out every day on the bus in the train. And you have no cash, no credit. Pants up. One big old pop, push and jog. Head. Like the girl in a rag, only wave and I stop. Got for the ad, my bad, this the rad. Repeat the bag like 10 meters for that. Boom, all dark tail fly still a wag. Left the building, color and sack. Jump in the bag like that. Just like this one, we now go back down. Leave for the back, muscle up, no flap. All church get up, free, chick and rub, time up, both tape and jack. Give back to the sound, rub, both them like for rich to the poor. But step in your back, take
Got to be dropping and there's something dropping. No man to stop him, he's dropping and up his skin chopping. If they tell him how king them drop him and no man can't stop him. With the body I say they put him all on the head, pan and lame. Killing, rebelling, you never give me your shelling. Come in, Power Man, for your me DJ.
Peace, peace. Yo, give me back piece of the taxi there. You don't know, taxi, take me to the other side of town. LP International, play by the Kingston, Finland, bring from March on the bunch of the original Power Stone, I call it my original cat. Tell them. Wrong set of man, them go on. Now watch how them nickel life gone. Up a beach at you like peas or corn. Why not even get no chance to yarn life gone? Wrong set of man, them go on. And now watch how them nickel.
LB says slow down. LB says slow down.
Bang, bang. Turn us up. Everybody thinks they're going to bring too much on the pension. You know we just enjoying ourselves. Tell them, wrong set of man, them go on. I know what how them nickel life gone. Shut a beach at you like peas or corn. A boy not even get no chance to yarn life gone. Bad man, the boy them go on. I know what how them nickel life gone. Shut a beach at you like peas or corn. A boy not even get no chance to yarn life. Well, Peter, party name it up. Shut a trap. Man a run, the man a flash, a man a hide, the man a trap. Them murder the bird, all the fellow we not yap. And gunshot a trap in you buck like rock. And gunshot a trap you right off of the map. Man them chop off your foot and find you one you have to up. Missy wickedness, evil and all that start for club. What a wicked act, what a wicked act. Stop. Wrong set of man them go on. I know what how them nickel life gone. Shut up eat at you like peas or corn. A boy not even get no chance to yarn life gone. Well gunshot a left your pretty house in the ashes. Just show you love too much. War wrong clashes, make a bag of trouble. Now everything crushes. Now LP find out say them a crutches. See we with we gun and your flashes and your dashes. Gunshot a take to buy the strike after matches. This bad man we full of stripe bad man we bust gun in a winter. Makes no stop fall. Could not feel win him. Yeah your friend them go call. All the man we kill the cops them in the mall. Bang!
Praises non-stop. Go heal King Selassie on a mountain top. Praises non-stop. But I them I go do when judgment job. As I look to the east, now he's coming back. Garments tipping blood, return from Buzz Rocker. That simple means Eden skull cracker. When Jaja call you now looking back. Talking to white and I'm talking to black. Some people mine is only one tracker. Tell them they choke them go on like them shaka. Rolling stone and some are stumbling blocker.
And second.
And to play with them a champion so to make it and get around. But I also believe I'm country, I believe I'm town. The name drive-by shooting and somebody get shot. Hotel every time I'm down a bad man block.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang.
And to play with them a champion, king of all I bring. I'm not for a man, one like Caliban alongside the man called Tuna Cat. Drive-by shooting and somebody get shot. Who tell them to turn up down a LP block? That drive-by shooting bomber will pick up talk. I'm up and do not stand up on your mic and him a chat. Nothing not red like them, nothing not bus stop. And not down that them gonna raise up and chat. On the same block when them a sell cookie cracker. On the same block them killer the baby darker. When we step out tell people step back. I'll child molesters and guy we broke sharp. Dibby some guy we get flop. Robbers and thieves them love we call cop. Never 5 o'clock now we keep boy quiet.
Bang, bang. Yo, give a piece there, drop it there, drop it there, drop it there.
Yo.
Drop it there, drop it there, drop it there. You done over there, you on the vibes, nice. Turn them on them, turn up the thing, turn up. Ding, 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 ding. Me say the boy them correl we. No we soldier them never see fi tell we. Hard over man the boy them have fi smell we. Wonder which informer just sell we. Yo to make the boy them correl we. No we soldier them never see fi tell we. Hard over man the boy them have fi smell we. Wonder which informer just sell we. Yo say from a distance all me see a 6 pants and power man disappear in a instance and a beat it from my belly. Run left hard belly. I look for me gun them when me bury and a true persistent. Make we never dead, I bust all we head. Running from the feds, we never put up no resistance. The first time, but this time the boy them come to kill and shoot off a grill and on me while them a drill. And I just through my skill, run through Nannyville and reach shoot a hill. Relax and a chill up. Bang, 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 bang.
Another lie man, I must see a lie man. No lie, man. Yeah, they are New York, no broken like I, man. Flatbush to a B, right turn be high, man. Church Avenue, quoted 2 from Simon. Rutland Road, me see man it fly, man. Yeah, they are jam, one no broken like I, man. Round, he's in the pit, yo. We go make it a challenge, eh? No lie, man. Come on, step in, no lie, man. No lie, man. Man, them out a run off, girl like I, man. Too old for Willow Smith, the young fi Mac a diamond. Girl inna me bed a wait fi me fi die pan. And no lie, man. No lie, man. Man, them out a run off, girl like I, man. Too old for Willow Smith, the young fi Mac a diamond. Girl inna me bed a wait fi me fi die pan. Indian black and them have the white one. And no lie, man. No lie, man. One Taylor Swift all a request Simon, but Nicki Minaj woulda get the fight and it help me man we Candy and Irma. Sherry I tell Candy me not stop tie hold and tell it to take.
Yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. Whoa, yeah. Yo, yo. Let me tell you, rude boy. From the boat touch land, that mean we they are sure again. Machine in stock, that means that we sure of them. Them badness speak, them operation poor again. Certain bad man bout them, I go kick them door of them. Let that drive by and me circle about 4 of them. Now if I circle back, man, me don't know me sure of them. Disrespect, yes, me not take no more again. Some love is just take some skin going to poor again. Pop off the thing that mean we get mad. Boy, you got dead, them going to dead bad. First thing we do, pop off the tread bag. Press up them and press and bust up them bread bag. Real bad man where people know about.
Bang, bang, bang.
Man to play with the champion king, cause I'm all I bring with the man. Play with the man song, so you got to keep on get around.
Share the life, people, share the life, share the life.
Shoot and collect, come for shoot and collect for me now. Shoot and collect, come for shoot and collect, come with me. Shoot and collect, come for shoot and collect for me now. Shoot and collect, come for shoot and collect. Tell me not take no talk, plus me not take no check. Man a food, man a look, tell them some money have to make. Suicide kill up an American jet. Money man a take me to no mistake no make. When the body never hear so much gunshot yet. Bin Laden bird, yes a Taliban don't forget to fly around like the bus in them for private jet. Farm owner gang we execute and select. Youngsters step out and pay money them take. Lock down the city, paid up in them make. Al Capone not show stone time some broke boy neck. Al Pacino Scarface tell if it smoke them like cess. Anyway this thing a press, make sure no end no rest. Said boy you dumb pattern and his friend a made a rest. Bin barrel a load ready for the nether rest. Every place a order got a special for your guests. Shoot off the heads off a Superman chest. Gun and a swing but me gun bag a rest. Girlfriend head lay down in a me chest. Take a little time just to roll some set. Every request is $100 US and you must think the big double breast and the Mr. Captain come for nice up the west and them a gamble bad man jawless and gunshot it to fly through your chest and talk and a press man a press and power man, he my special guest.
We use Lexus to Plexus from Long Beach to Texas. You girls are Lexus and girls are Lexus to Plexus. Bang, bang. You know we do what we do.
Share the life, people, share the life, share the life.
No, sir. We use Lexus to Flexus from Long Beach to Texas. Cute girls Alicia, hot girls Alexus. Hummer in the summer and Benz and weekends and drop top timber. Yo, you see when we roll, everything we drive is cruise control. Holiday weekends and the North Pole. Be 21 and 19-year-old girls and pole. And now when we roll, platinum key cards in our bill pole. Leather interior, we rims them a gold. Man so cashy that we take a payroll. Girls and pole again. Lexus to Flexus from Long Beach to Texas. You girls are Alicia, hot girls are Lexus. Woman in the summer and Benz and weekends and drop that pimo. Yo, yo, just say come, come, everybody come. You no born bout ya, but you still welcome. Come, everybody come. You no born bout ya, but you still well. Yeah, come, puss come, cat come, rat come. Through me say double that. Jackie damn bad come, go come, goat come, donkey and pig come. Me I watch Disney, it wasn't a sitcom. Hands come, fly come, soul come, roach come. All snakes in a tree I make the monkey run. You see the party yeah, it make everybody come. Come me granny at 90 and she still want come. Bang, bang. Then no, sir. What the man them a girls time?
Girls time. girl them for do now? Hey
Tell
girl,
what them for do.
what me tell them? Girl, stop. Take a selfie. Post it up, car. You look so healthy. Natural pose could make you wealthy. Girl, stop. Take a selfie. Post it up, car. You smile and melt me. Either Nike, a million like it. To love you is likely. Rightly meet wifey, the one who get you. I go hold on tightly. Out a rudder at work in your uniform shirt. Girl, stop me a flirt, make a flick, it can't hurt. Your face it loved by all camera. 5,000 like all red eye tomorrow. Enough new requests, some big kiss and caress. White tone of skin and the treasure chest. Always relax while some of them stress. Them Satan toss you, must a God bless. Girl, stop. Take a selfie. Post it up, car. You look so healthy. Natural pose could make you wealthy. Girl, stop. Take a selfie. Post it up, car. You smile and melt me. Either Nike, a million like it. To love you is likely. Rightly meet wifey, the one who get you. I go hold on tightly. Post up. Car your skin is sweet and silky like syrup. Make it post up. Girl them see catch feeling and get so corrupt. Make it post up. None of them can drink out your cup. Them can't post it up. Cause their skin full of cut. Flat, press a flat but we kept them out shut. Come and give them up a cut while you picture them a shut. Girl stop. Take a selfie. Post it up car you so healthy. Pose. Yes.
Then no so.
So the man saying something.
Any man reach 21 and have a girl
Sure.
to get bullet, don't you? Jason said, girl, I call me name, man. Bing, bing, bing.
Yo, yo.
What that? No false start. Right start. DJ sing say girl I call me name all over the ocean with no feelings and emotion, yeah. And them a call your leagues and all Brixton all over in a Birmingham LP. Girl I call me a New York and Japan. I say them want them Jamaican man them. And them a call me a ton of donkey man. Them say a we them a. Yo.
Yo. No, yo. Alright, we'll chop it off and now like a key and feel. And leave them with this one, alright? Cause she pretty like dove and soft just like fudge and working class girl and say she want down in love. Want me surname and me them catch and fling on. And if you want me address girl me live in Hollywood. Want the loving the girl them want the loving me about. Want the loving the girl them want the loving me about. Want the loving the girl them want the loving. 1,000 girls say them want the long thing. Them to stop, ramp and come on king. Line up me with fix up me jinxing. Where them call me no put on the ranking. Champion jockey fly down from Beijing. Now lose the race championship me go and win. Slim, trim, have money and thing. Them kind of thing no go near my chain. See some guy a bite it like a pumpkin. Think I don't know. I tell him for not dunking and power man come dance to the
cat. All me need is a Guinness and a big head split. Cocky stiff skirt, lip and all panty shit. Can you love sex, pony put up your lighter. She cut it out and me clot it. Bang, bang.
See it again me and this girl she go out. And she love me like champion we tell them to all our brain. Them say Emperor Selassie I set up on the throne. Marcus Garvey in a one long black gown. Beat the cat them on the fire then the angel come down. I go and whip them up with words, powers and sound. Man a touch, man a talk about fit on round. Look on Mr. Black I try favor Miss Brown. In a tight pants I talk about 2 round. Hey.
Yo, man a touch, man a tell them to come round. Yo, mama tell them. You see bout ya? None of them guys bout ya. Brooklyn, tell them. No batty boy can't come bout ya. No chichi bus can't drive on the road ya. Food alone going at the mouth ya. Push up on the one them and shout it. Batty boy fit dead, rape fit dead, child molester dead, petty rapper dead. Bang, bang, bang.
Yo yo. Yo yo. You me tell me what boy? Can you me out no girl, can you me out no about? Can you me out no girl, can you me out and jump around no girl, can eat you out and hold up you want no girl, can you me about and the other day me and this girl she go out and buy her some lobster, me buy her some stout and she tell her friend how she eat a patchy out and the next night me still carry her out so some broke lock down in her stout run gone a bathroom she could not come out we clap for that toilet paper run out and the girl will eat it out them have to shit it out not come out too come out and fly out, show back out. You happy and you love it, if you jump and shout. Born as a soldier, with Christ was a scout. Rhythm of a told me no if you jump out. No born with no gold foot up in my mouth. No happy and no love it, if you jump and shout. Nothing about teach a lick out, nothing about teach a lick out. Follow me now. Teach a lick out, nothing about teach a lick out. I can live, but you better come on the route.
The whole world is a stage and we are the actor who gets the Oscar. The best behavior and me blaze the fire. Which movie you in a? Open up the one with the star a killer. The whole world is a stage and we are the actor who gets the Oscar. The best behavior and we blaze the fire. Which movie you in a? Open up the one with the star a killer. Because Whitney Houston but they got the judge it all over. Tell them yes.
Yeah, tell them. Let's go now, little boy can't make my yard flat. Enough for them are informer, only step it with shatter. Apache arrive, you tell the enemy to scatter. Guerrilla warfare, man, I sort out them matter. Dog them rise and them start knocker. Wipe on them face with them body get blacker. Ruben and leader, so we no follow back. Love John the Baptist, bad man no kick soccer. Hey, little boy, no talk to big papa. Real bad man, when buy shoes down a butter. Kick out your teeth, everything start to scatter. No need to send with the big rat-a-ta-ta. Power man, them know that you no chatter.
Bust me gun them all over the ocean. Bad man no pet neither low. Bang, bang. You find the rhythm for that? Can't go draw for the big rat-a-ta-ta. Tennis. You know we do what we do. Bang. LP. Tell them already and we tell them again. Bang. Yeah man, it's a drive man, you don't know. Man, go for the frog for bust my gun. Where's the big bad frog for bust my gun? No frog. Alright then. That yes then. You have so much tune. LP, bust me gun them all over the ocean. Batman no pet like the ocean. No dear, them could enough like the sun we're in the ocean. We are killed off the ocean again. Bust me gun them all legal Brixton. All over in a Birmingham. Yo, bust me gun them a New York and Japan. How the people them a wait for mix. Boy them here we bust up, we gun them on a threat. And I start out at the little bit at them left. Just true LP go kill off the rest. Man I dress up in a dress and go shoot up them nest. Put them daughter and her dolly and her bed name Celeste. Put up the big boy play play for them. Put my best, put the man go look this. And the old man go love set. Left the ear in a chest. Beat a run like the best. Wrong sound them come so struck people like cess. Yo, LP sound you with the greatest. Yo, big Mac 11 for you bust in a them chest. Yo, and it's down test them bound big. Yo, bust me gun them all over the ocean. If we pet like the ocean, not here. Them could enough like the sun in the ocean. You want peace?
When me sound turn up, I go do this from now till I sun up. Man them applaud and no man them a run up. Me sound turn up, me sound turn up, me sound turn up. When me sound turn up, could a blood heart rip up. Shot na take lip up, gun off a hip up. Make boys skip up, clothes get rip up. Zipper get zip up, brick house get tip up. All turn head we whip up, your dead suit pick up. You flap out and a flip up, whip up out by the ship up. You tongue chip up, y'all all a zip up. Hide and zip up, then y'all finger tip up. When me sound turn up, I go do this from now till the sun up. Y'all man apart, no man never run up.
Mama tell us something about me. You see me LP?
Cut like rocket people, pick it up and drop it.
Drop it back, man. Tell them something about me. Can't love it, I'm mission you go. Yo. Can't love it, then I this me do. Mark piece of it. Mother Peter Lick, man. Yeah, man. Cause mission. That's why I tell them something. Yo, I want to patch you for a long time with a DJ them. And so, yes, a joke. Yeah. Me no want a blood clot batty man friend. Me prefer sex nucleus for two man them. Me no want a batty man liar. Me prefer hang. Run down batty boy and beat it till he bend. Me no want a blinking batty man friend. Me prefer sex nucleus for two man them. Me no want a batty man liar. Me prefer hang. Run down batty boy and beat it till he bend. Yo, them fit head. Cause them a batty man. Walk past batty young gun check batty man. Say them notorious and par with the ratty gang. Right when me hear people say him a ratty man. Start sell patty at school. Say him a patty man. And go touch a little boy and then chop him man. Yo, you a rasta Christian name Vatican. He's a little girl, me name from a Batman. Me no want a blood clot Batman. Me prefer sex me young. Bang, bang, bang. Drop it now. A whole night thing.
Yo. Yo.
So much tune. So much tune. Yo, the man them know for drawing cat, man. When cat hear rhythm, them here. I leave in and they say come.
Pull up. I'm to greeting them the most empress and I stand the first. It is the most champion sound of the world. You me tell them road boy. But tell them come true. But you not cat that come true. You don't want me take that chain line. I got circle save you. They look for boy blue. And just grab some skull too. Cause him mother and him father work to mad voodoo. I say send them come. For ragamuffin I gon' turn them down. When you hear me, I say send them come. For you not cat him and Selassie I son. When you hear me, hey boy no matter run your marrogan on the gun. And ragamuffin them just come. Then I wait them I go do, you know see them gone underground. But ragamuffin them just come. When you hear me tell no boy you give your free paper gun. Cause them disrespect the father, now they want this the son. But badness when you have it in a with damn cranium. Lock down the dance hall, open up the stadium. Them things that we drunk so we sip a liquor rum. Them this up help people everything tumble down. And the mark to the church to the burial ground. I'm off and Jonah cat them and Selassie I son. Anything we try to test we don't them know them life done. But tell them come true. What caliber and come true. With the matter with the matter yeah with no matter. But them a do me tell about come true. I caliber and come true.
No lie man, on the motor road a kill sound like I man. Dead in a blood pool, select a head fly man. Him gal him puma bed away, see him be die pan. I no lie man, no lie man. On the motor road no kill sound like I man. Beg for a blind man, me duct tape and tie man. Dad and cry man, marrow reach a sky man. I no lie man.
I don't lie, man. Yo, people. You don't, yo, cat, forward. Make a reason a little bit there. Yeah, make a reason a little bit. Yeah, you don't know. Where are Patsy there? Yeah.
Sealer.
Rastafari. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't know a long time Junior Cat on the thing, you know. I say, long time. Many people them know how much years in the thing, Cat.
Boy, it's a whole heap of years, you know, so it's about 26, 28 years.
What year did you start DJ?
Boy, I start DJ from 15 years old, you know, but when I reach up, I'm 21, 22, them start know me I road that stuff. But from where I go to school, 15 years old, 14, 13, we had a DJ pan jukebox and knock pan and DJ and make a whole sound them with toothpaste, cork and them things. For the time we did they play around, you know. The music, you know, we I try shove it out till we're still there now.
Still there, same way.
We're not just in the music, the amount of music we're in a way.
Jude. Yeah. So what inspired you to get in the music?
Well, inspiration, you know, come from Rankin Trevor and the man them used to watch a DJ Soul Imperial Sound. And them time I never know about DJ business, you know, I just watch a man them and say, Trevor's an Indian youth, a DJ from him in a high school at Tarrant, so. And I just see the vibes and love the vibes and music. You know we are ready, so we catch on so fast.
Yeah. So let me ask you a question. So who was DJing first? Either you or your brother was DJing first?
Well, Supercat was DJing first and alongside Early B them, to be truthful, you know, because he's a smaller brother. Cat is really bigger.
I know that, but you don't know. Enough of the people in the live, them don't know them things. But me, you know, me know them things. You have to educate them and make them know certain things. You know what I'm saying? You remember your first record? What did you record?
Yeah. The first tune was a tune name, not give me no gun, not give me no weapon. I did it for Early B producer, Junior Straight. Them time they never go well still, but that's my first song.
That was the first song? Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So people, you don't know Junior Cat in the building, you know me I say, you don't know if you link on them thing that you don't know a long time, the man have veteran. I don't just come. So you have to put the respect on the man's name, see? Sealer. Long time.
Sealer.
See? Sealer.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
So you don't know, you have any memory dance from back in the days, like in the early 80s or something like that?
Early dance.
Like Panjaro and all them things that we can say, yo, the dance was, you know what I say?
Yeah, man. In the 80s where we did the dance in a House of Leo, they say it was a dance called California. Daddy Man and Cleve.
Yeah.
With Josie Wheel and Early B, that is one of the biggest dances you see on the YouTube internet, where Josie Wheel have the album cover over him.
Over him. Oh, okay.
And Papa San was there, Louis Rankin was there.
Was Bammy Man there?
No,
that was a jamming. That was a
Bammy
jamming.
Man was not that dance.
Okay.
This one keep a house of Leo. Them time that we was young youth, Roddy Hyrie, Jonah Cat, Iron Man, Mr. German. That was the first dance when me remember we really stand up and rock it, you know, and people could have said, yeah, them look at youth, yeah, them I get bad, you know, and thing, and them know the business. But otherwise from that, we know the DJ business is not an easy business, because for bleach a nighttime pan sound system and chuck back and them thing, enough youth have talent, but them couldn't deal with the roughness. So
LP!
you cross the river, you can bear the tribulation, you won't get the goal.
A truth, a real thing, real thing. So people you don't know, you share the life, you don't know. Junior Cat in the building, as I say, the man a legend, the man a veteran. Right. You know what I say? And you know what I say? How it feel when you was coming up in the business as a young youth, as 15 years old, which one of the artists them like forward with the eye in the business? Like grew up with the eye, when you the DJ alongside that.
Wally Payute was there, you know, because I say, you know, the youth, them when me used to parody was better DJ for me, like Iron Man, Martin Luther, German, Marlon Brando. It was a
enough of them DJ that we don't hear about them DJ.
Yeah, because I tell you some.
Did they change their name?
Yeah, no, most of the youth them who never make it, some man end up lose them life, some man end up in prison, some man end up in America, yeah, and end up back at Jamaica. But most of them youth, yeah, like German still alive, Marlon Brando, them youth they still alive, Iron Man, them youth they pass off, Sergeant Rock, I don't know where them youth they go, Martin Luther, them youth they lose them life, but most of the youth, them, Eddie Murphy and them youth, they're just Ninja Man, I can say, well, then they did with from Ugly Man, and I can say him still there. Liquor Twitch and them youth, them, I know them from long time, same way, you know what I mean? But Brokeback and all them youth, enough youth never journey get away a man branch off, you know. So we still there fight the struggle, because we never have no other job, you know. Music we know from them time, so it get rough, we still there, they get good, we still there, our thing that, you know what I mean?
Definitely.
Yeah.
How you feel about the young artists them nowadays? How you feel about that? Like them material?
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna lie, you know. To be truthful, you know, where the music come from to where it there now, you know, it's alright, you know, because the youth them are the good, you know, because them can help them family, you know. You know, that the youth ideas, them never get much for DJ business. Like, nowadays a youth can buy a car or buy a house and help him friends. So it get better.
Even in your days, coming up as a little youth.
There's nothing going on. You know, when we are DJ Jaro, Sound Jaro, give me $10, $10 with like a blue $10, that is a DJ for.
People didn't hear that?
It was nothing big like we did. I work for money. I really look for money. We did just love it.
$10.
When a man give you money and you find out, so where this for you find out, so it's the goodness of you because you have talent. So we find out, so we deserve to get paid. But we never work for no money. I know the music add up around us. So now, if you look Bounty Killer charge more than Daddy, you're right.
Yeah.
So it's like the business still like a back way, but it's a man them we have the talent, never really get no pay. So it's a guy them who come in a music, get the glory, but the people them who have music in them just suffer same way because they never really want nothing in them, just want to sing.
Them want to sing.
I
just the love.
Sing, yeah.
Just the love,
yeah, that's where ease your pain and your pressure once you get to sing. That's why most of the musicians them nowadays have problem because them can't get to sing. Enough man don't really watch the money. Some man does know him how get the money and him need the money, but you just want to sing. And you see your audience and you see your movement. It is a lot of pressure for you. So touch dead where they are not sick, them sick. Sure. Them can't get to sing.
Sure, definitely.
You know, Martin right. Say, I shall sing. You know?
I shall sing.
Yes.
All right. Do you ever write any song for any artist?
Yeah, I make song for people. I don't really write song like, you know, I'm going to catch me with a pen and a paper, but I make song like, you know, I'm bridging with there and we help him with the song.
Yeah.
And the song come out good where him never really, I check say, well then, me have so much potential, but me never really sit down for write song. But
any number one song, like song we go on the chart and, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I make song.
Familiar with the people I'm familiar with.
No, not like that. Like me, I'm bridging them there together and I will help them out. But with me now, I just record song like when you put on the rhythm and I vibes it, I just record song. And lately now, sometimes we end up have to write because if you're making so much songs, you're going to end up have to write some because you can't come off of your head.
Yeah.
So often. But most of the songs, them, we are the bad song, them never write.
Never?
No, they never write. And the musician can tell you that. Once him come off of him head tap, so them say the first cut is the deepest. If you don't catch the first cut and you have to go back to the second cut, it might not so bad. So most engineer always keep all vice. And he will tell you that the first vice better than the second one.
Definite. You have anything you want to say to the youth them and the people them upon the life?
Well, we are to the people them saying that we give thanks enough for the people them, because without the people them we is not at all now. We're still here doing the business and I deal the music, so we give thanks to the listeners them, but one them know saying everything we glitz like gold, because 80s don't catch back 90s. And 90s don't catch back 2000. So the better music is already out there. We're not bash nobody, but they're not playing a live guitar again and a live drum. So the music alone shall live, and music will bring it to justice. So if you listen to the drum, the beat of the drum, the heartbeat of the drum, it bring the people them together. So reggae music is legendary. The music not old, the music not mash up. But as I tell the youth them say, leave it like how no come see it. Don't mash up nothing the next generation can come eat.
Definite. So people, you don't know, Junior Cat and building, not going to wait no cat. Because power, we talk to Power Stone, you know what I say? We're going to run two more rhythm, and then you just leave out of the building, because you know you're there for a little years. See? So we're going to run two more rhythm for the cat. Then we reason a little bit with the Power Stone, you know what I say? You know what I say? So people, you don't know. Super Cat brother, Junior Cat in the building. People, share the life. What me say for you?
Yo. Some a worry about them house and some a worry about them car. Some a worry about them money where them put in a them jar. Never find no time for the almighty answer. Get up every day, some of them a boast and a blur. But praise Jah no star, praise Jah no star. Sufferation don't a get to one day you them a war. But praise Jah no star, praise Jah no star. Drive by shooting in a unknown car. But praise Jah no star, praise Jah no star. Met a liquor picking it spread out on the tar. But I care for none of this. The only thing for me is my bubbling telephone chalwa in the morning. Well, I'm a lick it in a London with Rankin Trevor. Then me lick it a Warwick with a donkey collar. I'm gonna lick it over jungle, some nigga fella. I'm a lick it, then me pass it through the window. Because it big like a chopping gas cylinder. Lick it and me pass it to me next door neighbor. What about PMP, but I'm not about labor. But I say, love, compliment the lover say. It don't matter what they do, and no matter what they say. But until the LP, the champion sound a play. On the 23rd of May, that was the Queen birthday. But the only LP, them go to London, go play. And cock up back with foot up on the British Airway. Light up ganja pipe and put a bun craving there. In the ear where the people, them a New York a say. We bring no other sound system come up there. And only LP sound, them want figure play. But I ain't nothing make a rag over man take a bay. They gun up on the window and a pay shot a spray. But they sister fair, me ya beg you send us stray. We ram it in the night and we be ram it in the day. It no matter what they do, but it no matter what they say. I say play LP and you for play. Lord of His mercy. What's up in them dancing? Give me tell them boy. I said boom shakalaka, you're the ram dance master. So ragamuffin, you're the ram dance master. Boom shakalaka, you're the ram dance master. So ragamuffin, you're the ram dance master. Boom shakalaka, you're the ram dance master. But the Junior Cat, you want the ram dance master. Boom shakalaka, you're the ram dance master. But the LP, them are the ram dance. Them running rocket, the two them friend them get them all liquor thing and tell them all lock it. Go flip up on the down of them valid, but where you jack it. Yes, thing, don't clap it and make sure that you drop it. Lick off a couple pieces and slip the thing back in your pocket. Not even bother run, just take your little time and jacket. I give the juvenile the piece of end and tell him go lock it. But sitting up on the corner, list the news and get him a yap it. Well, bulletproof again and double beds and brownie jacket. I circle upon them corner and pull out a couple socket. I fuck with them, I go and will tell them don't take for stop it. For money in the bank, I mean your LP going at it. I blink up with the motor King Selassie, I we back it with the sounds of bonus cliff. Load the back the automatic. Wanna hear me? But I say boom shakalaka, ram dance master. Shakalaka, we are the ram dance master. Boom shakalaka, we are the ram dance master. But the LP, them are the ram dance master. Ram it to east, ram it to west. But LP, them say you are the best. Now jump and sound boy, them can't distress. Cause if I show this to them chest, them coulda can't digest. Well, the plate a fly through them bulletproof vest. But tell you this a special, that one I hit a guess. But send them boy a cemetery and make them go rest. I send them in a card pack and make them draw less. I dress them like a girl and make we put them in a dress. But tell you this a one is a special request. I say boom, Shakala the Ram Dance Master. But the LP left them in a disaster. Boom, Shakala the Ram Dance Master. But I do not count him on the Ram Dance Master. But I'm playing bamboo great. Even though be true my game, play bamboo hip bounce sound. We can keep on gather around. It don't matter from the country, I ain't cater from the town. But if you don't want me young, I love it. And if you tell me you're my sound. Look a jump and go deep, she go down.
Yo, people, yo, bless, yo, cat. Enough respect, enough, yo. Is that, yo, people? Don't move a muscle. We're going to restart the live, refresh the live and start back over. You don't know, yo, people, yo, don't move. We don't, yo.